Awit a apertura di Mirador no aeroporto Hato. Nós está hopi contento para Corsol de com para sobra por fim família não possível na Mirador aqui e o es avião sube e barra. Senhor Ralph Blanchard, diretor de CAP, está presente e ele riba a palavra.
I don't know about you, but I think this is one of the most amazing vistas I've ever seen. It truly is really an incredible sight. And truly welcome to everybody. I have our excellencies, guests, the media, our employees, and of course all of our friends. The Mirador has always been an important part of the social and economic, or the social and cultural aspects of Curacao. And we're really delighted as CAP to be able to bring it back and to, offer it as something that the people of Curacao can really enjoy going forward. It's an amazing place of, when I look at it, of reflection. When you stop and think about things, you put things in perspective. And certainly we encourage everybody to come and enjoy what we consider to be this absolutely gorgeous vista. And when you come here, certainly we want you to remember the good times, the old times, how it used to be in the past. But we also want you to take a moment and reflect onto the future and imagine what the opportunities that are still out there for the Curacao Airport and the people of Curacao by the continuous development and of efficient managing of your airport. It truly is it's an amazing asset. And on an island like this, it's so critical that it is done very well. CAP takes our job very seriously in developing what we think is one of the fundamental pillars of the economy of this island, the airport. And we truly, as we go forward in the next few years, you will see a lot of developments that are going to continuously be taking place here, all for the benefit of the island truly. Of course, CAP being the investor, being the part of the whole equation, yes, we're in here for a reason, but that reason is a really good one. We have assumed an amazing responsibility from Curacao, and we are going to do our very best at all times to make sure that we deliver on the promise that we have of making the airport the very best that it can be. And that's a commitment that we make to you. And with that, I'm going to close my comments by saying again, come here, enjoy the Mirador, take a good look at what's out there, and imagine the possibilities. Let your mind run wild at what aviation and what the development of the airport can do for the community. I'm going to say a couple of words of thanks very quickly, though, to a few people who really made this possible. First of all of our employees. They work every day to make sure the airport is run as well as it can be run. But especially for the team that were instrumental in making the Mirador happen. Tobias, our Chief Operations Officer, and his team, Brian and David, and a few other people, all of the people who are a part of really making this happen. They did a phenomenal job, and we thank you all for it. And of course, we could not get anything done without the confidence and support of the board of directors and the investors in CAP. And truly, Diana has mentioned their names here today, but we want to say a truly special thank you to all of these men who have really committed themselves financially and in other ways, emotionally, to seeing that Curacao, it really develops the way we all want it to develop. So to all of our board members here today, I really want to say a very special thanks. Thanks for your confidence. Thanks for your support. And as the team from Curacao Airport Partners, I assure you of our commitment to your goals to make sure the airport is the very best that it can be, to return a really good investment to Curacao and to our board. So thank you all very much. Enjoy your Mirador.